All right, Rob Frazier here. So this video I want to talk about unlimited traffic, and pardon me walking around a messy house here, but unlimited traffic, and I got to keep reminding myself to look there instead of here for some odd reason. So online marketing, I equate it to three things. Okay, well, let me back up. When I first started, I wasn't making any money, and I saw a video from a guy who was another internet affiliate marketer, and he was making a lot of money. And in his video, he says you have got to get your traffic game up. And for some reason that stuck with me. You've got to get your traffic game up. And I didn't really learn until maybe about 4 years after watching that video what exactly he meant. To make money in affiliate marketing, it really does boil down to traffic. Traffic is advertising, getting a lot of people to see whatever it is you're promoting. And there's many different ways of going about getting traffic. And when I say traffic, I don't just mean paid traffic. There's some people out there, I've been known for saying something along the lines of keep slamming traffic. I've said that quote a lot, and a lot of people take that quote and they say, oh, Rob just means buying traffic, and that's really not the case. If you're constantly building your network offline or online or using social media, that is slamming traffic. And before I really get into that, I just want to say it really boils down to the 3 C's is what I like to call it. Clicks, content, and connections. It's really that simple. When I say clicks, I do mean buying traffic. What I do every single week, I buy traffic consistently. When I first started and I wasn't making any money, I just set a budget. So every single week, a $50 solo ad. Every single week, every single week, every single week. If I made a sale or if I earned some commissions, hang on, Bubs, 50% of my commissions would immediately go back into more paid traffic. So if I would make a $100 sale, get a $100 commission, I would take $50 of that and immediately turn it into more traffic. And I'm getting some milk here at the same time while doing this video. Kiddo is gainfully occupied without me, but as soon as I whip out the cell phone to do a video, hey, I want some milk. Hey, I want to do this. Hey, I want to do that. But that's just how it is. So every single week I would buy traffic, and then once I would start earn a commission, you know, $50 commission, I would take, you know, buy $25 in clicks or something, and I would just keep doing that. And then it got to a point where I was buying 10,000 clicks a week, to which kind of evened out since then because the opportunities and things have changed since then, but I still do that. That's clicks. That's very simple. Some money comes in, at least 40% of all of my profits across the board goes right back out immediately into paid traffic. And there's Bing pay-per-click, there's solo ads, there's so many different places. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty there. Number 2, content or connections. I'm just go content. This video is an example of my content. YouTube, blogs, even posting on social media. That is your content. You put out content designed to help other people, and it also attracts people to you. So instead of sitting here talking about my business and how my business is so great and how you should join this particular business and how your business sucks and my business is better so you should join I don't play that game. I just talk about what I'm doing in my business. I reference my business, but I talk about what I'm doing, and I'm doing that exactly right here and now. This video is an example of my content, and underneath this video I'm include a link when I type it up to the blog post that is directly related to this video. That's part of my content, and I also take that and I share it with my email list, and I share it on my social media. So I really don't care about my views and my rankings on YouTube. Same thing with my blog, because when I buy traffic, those people are going to get emailed my blog who would have never come across my blog. Same thing with my videos. And so that way I know that my videos and my blogs are eventually going to start getting views and clicks and things like that. And then lastly, building connections. Every time I do a video, so I do a video like this, I'm talking about how to get traffic. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to also do a YouTube search for how to get traffic. And then all of the videos that pop up, I'm a comment under. And I'm going to like their videos. And so that right there is going to initiate conversation. It doesn't always. But that's the way that I build my network online. Same thing I do with my blog. Every time I write a blog post, whatever keyword or whatever the title of the blog post is, I'll go to Google or go to Bing. I'll do a search for those keywords. I will find other people's blog posts that are similar, and then I would go down and comment on those posts. And obviously each time I comment on one of their posts, it links back to me. Same thing with my YouTube video. That is a part of my content, and that's also how I build connections, because people will be like, hey, thanks for the comment on my video. I checked out your YouTube channel. We should do a collaboration. And that's just how it works. And yeah, and that's what I've done since day one. You know, do I have the biggest YouTube channel in the world? No. I like to take a balanced approach at it. There's some marketers who are, you know, they're big time on Facebook. And I'm not a big social media guy, because I fall down rabbit holes. I know my personality. I get sucked into meaningless conversations. And I think social media is like filling up an empty bucket. You do a post, and then next week that post is gone. I don't care how many likes and comments and things you got on one Facebook post. A month later, that post is going to be buried. Whereas if you put content, YouTube videos out there, and blog posts out there, that eventually does grow in and of itself. Although social media does have its place. So all of that being said, my paid traffic sources, I'm going to link below this video. The easiest, simplest places: Udimi Solo ads, MLM Leads, Traffic for Me. Where I learned my social media, my Lead System Pro. That's the very first place I've gone. And all of these are affiliate programs, by the way. And you don't have to sign up for them or anything. I'm just referencing this is where I've learned different things. And then lastly, how to put a blog together, how to put a website together. I got that training through Wealthy Affiliate. You don't have to do all three. You know, I have different focuses at different times. Right now, I'm just focusing on my blog and blog, YouTube, and I'm buying traffic. And I do a little bit of social media stuff here and there, but I try not to do it too much because I get too sucked into it. So that being said, hopefully you didn't get too distracted by my fast talking and then the ceiling fans and the kiddos asking me for milk in the background. But wanted to get this video out there. Those are the sources that I use. And every single week, I just keep doing it. And I'm getting better at social media. I'm learning how to post, not just talking about business per se, but crafting my post and finding ways to chat with people who are interested and open with what I'm doing. And you know, there's a certain way of talking to people to bring them into your business. And I've devised I found a way that works for me. And if people want to learn it, you know, I offer that as well. If you want information on that, the link is below. Wealthy Affiliate link will be below. You can sign up for free, go through the training, and get a website going. I'm going to link my website below so you can see. It's not the prettiest, but it gets me traffic. And at the end of the day, it's like a hub that I use to train my people as well. So anyways, that being said, if you're looking for a mentor, if you want to work with me, whatever, links are below, information is below. Like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.